Three rivers flowing, heart, mind, body. Massage the kidneys, fire water massage, 9 rubs. Take it down for the legs, back up for the trunk, kidney channel, into the mind. Bathe the mind 3 times. Take it back down. Massage the kidneys. Back down into the mind and brain. Bathe 3 times. Take it down, back to the kidneys, adrenals, 6 rubs. Take it up, endocrine, nodes. Connect up into the brain. Bathe 3 times. Take it down. Kidneys. Into the brain. Bathe 3 times. Down, adrenals, finish off with a kidney rub. The mind and balance, forge acceptance. and out, relax. Let the mind and spirit open up to the breath, gather within, release, down, connect to the umbilical, to the game-made kidneys. Another breath. Back to the mind, breath, release. Longevity, form 1.
右把车动了，现在是右上步吧，是马吧？右加右边这里啊，右边这里，上步，可以上步，可以。哎，对对对，上步哎对，右上步就这个，不上步右边它就这里，不上步就啊，你看右上步嘛，这就上，回来再回去。哎，这个动作。好不好？哎，好。别，放了。哎。
Tiger. Nom. Nom. Universe. Nom. Soul breath. Om. Dragon harmony connects from heaven to earth, forging with the tiger. Soul breath, spirit rises back into heaven. Connect like a conduit to the sacrum. Nine completes the self. Dragon stands in Zong. Connect the harmony of the mind and brain to the eagle. Eagle perching. Mind, body, qua. Solar plex, lungs, heart. Brain, spirit, Shen. Kree. Kree. Vajin flick. Back into Zia. Into Zong. Sign off. Flick release. That was Dragonfire performs the three rivers flowing. First of all, to connect the mind and body from the solar plex into the heart and lungs. To fuse the upper energy of the heaven. That brings it in. The second part was to draw the breath, the lung, to the connection of the stomach and spleen energy and the release of the large intestine. So that's done on both sides, of course. To take the flow of the meridians and the blood and the energy of the spirit, soul breath. And the last part was the rolling flow of the kidneys, which ended up with a tap to release energy within the kidneys and then massage it out, down through the body with fire water massage, chi, blood, jus, taking it in. From there we took the energy of the system which created the Jin, the flow or smooth flow energy, chi, breath, blood, spirit, and then we put it into the longevity form. So the longevity form is so that you can connect your soul, breath and spirit to the internal flow of chi energy, the workings of the vital body organ system, and the sense of the 8 trigrams formulation from mountain, volcano, cloud, wind, and on the other side, mountain, lake, kidney connects to liver, thunder, soul, breath, cloud, wind connects to self. These are the flows of energy connected to the mind consciousness, which learns how to adapt the construct of need. So if you feel energy blockage in your spleen, you know that there's a need for the spleen stomach system to be massaged, to release. If you feel that you're lacking blood, lack of food, too much energy, expanded in exercise, you'll feel it in your liver. So then you start to recognize that these blood systems need to connect through a calm, serene element called Dragonfire Qigong. And this is the basis of my wellness recovery action plan.